Oh, excuse me.
Yes?
I'm trying to find a...
Classic beta.
Me too, me too. Do you have any more in the back? What? I see that. What did I say?
These guys are looking for...
Beta invite.
My dog, yes.
Classic invites.
Hey, everybody! These two are looking for...
Classic invite.
Shut up, man!
Now, what's so funny?
Where have you guys been?
Classic beta is for streamers only.
You know what? We got plenty of...
Stress test invites going out.
Then they will complain on Reddit.